Selena Gomez is the latest celebrity who's getting involved in the beauty space. But after she launched her long-anticipated line, people noticed some similarities between her products and Fenty by Rihanna, and now she's getting dragged online. Hey, what's up everyone, it's Mackenzie here, and today on the channel I'm going to be filling you in on the new drama surrounding Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty launch. So Selena Gomez launched her makeup line Rare Beauty on September 3rd, and the line is filled with the typical makeup products that you would expect, with practically all products in face, eye, and lip products that are in most other lines, even including brushes. However, it seemed like right after the launch, people were already dragging Selena, as the packaging in her line looked incredibly similar to one of the standout beauty brands right now, Fenty by Rihanna. Twitter user @BeebsIdea included a few shocking side-by-side images, comparing one of the brushes as well as the primer. And come on, no one can deny those look pretty darn similar. Both of the brush handles are a pink hue, as well as the hair on the brushes themselves being pink. And then both of the names are printed in minimalist white text. And the primer is honestly even more shocking, with both of the bottles being tall and slender, as well as it being clear with some slight frosting and a pink top, with both having a minimalist and futuristic look to them. The user also shared a screenshot of a low-key shady comment that Fenty left on their Instagram page, with one user commenting on a photo of their Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation, saying, quote, "Change the game, now y'all got copycats." With the Fenty account responding back to that comment saying, "Ooh," which, we know in the drama world is just basically code for shade. Also, people thought the caption was super shady too, with it saying, quote, "When you're trying to shine on them, but you're just looking shiny," which people immediately started calling out for being a dig to Rare Beauty and Selena. I guess in some of the reviews on Rare Beauty called it out for not having any matte foundation options. But the comments on that post were full of Selena fans dragging Fenty, saying that they're threatened by Selena and that this was super unprofessional. Which, it probably was, but also the packaging was, pretty similar. And this wasn't the only Twitter user who found Rare Beauty shady, with lots of people calling out how the brands look similar, with another user even tweeting out that Rare looked like the Dollar Tree version of Fenty, which I'm not agreeing with, but I just thought it was funny, come on. But of course, there are some people who were defending Selena, saying that it is similar, but there are enough differences that differentiate it. Even comparing the two on things other than the packaging, with Selena fans bringing up the fact that Rare Beauty is cruelty-free, while Fenty is not, with some even adding that Rare Beauty is getting better reviews than Fenty. But I'm not sure if that's totally accurate, but I included it because I did see that online a lot. So now, as always, I want to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think the packaging is similar? And even if it is, does that really matter all that much to you? Also, how likely do you think you are to buy Rare Beauty, and how do you feel about celebrity makeup lines in general? For me, I most likely won't be buying Rare unless it comes into stores, which I think it is coming into Sephora, because I just don't like buying makeup online. But also the fact that so many celebrities are coming out with beauty lines is kind of starting to annoy me, unless they're really, really good. I know Fenty is really good. I'm kind of just not really that down for them personally. But I am super interested to see how well that it sells. From what I saw today, just looking through the website, nothing looks sold out. However, that doesn't necessarily mean anything. I'm just so used to Kylie launches selling out in 10 minutes. But she could just have smaller products, and that could be a marketing ploy. Who knows, right? But before I head out, I'm gonna shout out some comments from my video on Kylie visiting Paris. Speaking of Kylie, Alex C said, "Welcome to the world of celebrities. They get away with anything." It kind of feels like that a lot of the time, doesn't it? Then Noelle Blake said, "If they were only having meetings, why couldn't they just use Zoom?" Okay, really valid point. Yeah, if you're having meetings, sure, everyone's having meetings, but why do you have to meet up in person? The internet exists for a reason, Kylie. Then Lexi said, "Why do so many celebrities and influencers feel the need to travel during a global pandemic? Is it that hard for them to just stay in their multi-million-dollar mansions?" I don't understand, especially Kylie, she lives on a compound. She has everything you could ever want in a house, and she still needs to leave. I don't understand it. Alright, that's all for me today. Make sure to subscribe, and check out our playlist of other news stories just like this one if you want to see more of us. And I'll catch you all in the next one.